Hello, everyone. Welcome back to CryptoNinjas. I'm Dale, your guide through this vast crypto universe. Imagine a world where your AI assistant doesn't just answer questions or schedule meetings, it actually pays for the premium tools, data, or services it needs to get the job done, all in seconds, autonomously, without you ever touching a credit card or approving a subscription. No more upgrade to pro pop ups or wasted money on unused plans. That's the revolution sparked by x402, the internet's forgotten payment code that's finally waking up after 30 years. Launched by Coinbase and backed by giants like Google, Cloudflare, Visa, and AWS, x402 is exploding with millions of transactions and powering a $30 trillion AI agent economy. If you're new to crypto or AI, don't worry, this breaks it all down simply. By the end, you'll see why X402 could change how machines handle money forever. Hit that like button if you're excited for smarter AI, and let's dive in. First, let's go back to the beginning and recap where X402 started. Believe it or not, this all ties into something from the early days of the internet. In the 1990s, when the web's core rules, called HTTP, were being written, creators reserved a special code, HTTP 402, meaning payment required. It was meant for websites to ask for money before showing content, but it never caught on because payments back then were clunky. Fast forward to today, and crypto stablecoins like USDC make instant tiny payments possible. That's where Coinbase steps in. The story kicks off in May 2025. Coinbase drops the X402 white paper and announces it as an open protocol for instant stablecoin payments over plain old HTTP. They open source the code, making it free for anyone to use or build on. No single company owns it. It's truly open. June and July 2025. Things heat up with early integrations. Cloudflare jumps in for hackathons, and cross chain support rolls out to networks like Base, Solana, Polygon, and more. Developers start experimenting, realizing this could fix micropayments forever. September 2025. Big partnerships form. Coinbase and Cloudflare announced the X402 Foundation for Neutral Governance. No one company in control. Circle integrates USDC deeply for agent wallets. Google adopts X402 into its agent payments protocol, letting AI agents pay each other seamlessly. Visa and AWS show support too. October 2025. Explosion time. Transactions surge over 10,000% in a month, hitting nearly 500,000 in 1 week alone, with volumes in the hundreds of thousands of dollars. Peaks like 239,000 transactions in a single day. Memecoins and AI agents flood in, proving real world scale. Chains like BNB, Base, and others add support. The ecosystem shows over 50 projects, and total market cap for related tokens tops $1 billion. From a dusty 90s idea to viral adoption in months, X402 went big because AI agents need to spend money independently, and old systems like credit cards just don't cut it for machines. Okay, what exactly is X402 and how does it work? Let's keep this super simple. X402 is an open source rulebook that turns the regular web into a payment system. It uses that old HTTP 402 code to say, hey, this costs money, pay up to continue. But instead of a credit card form, it handles crypto payments instantly on blockchains. Here's the breakdown. You or your AI agent ask for something online, like premium data from an API, a video stream, or cloud computing. It's just a normal web request. The server checks, is this free? If not, it replies with 402 payment required. It includes easy details, price, say 1 cent in USDC, which blockchain, and where to send it. Your wallet or the AI's built in one automatically signs and sends the payment. It adds it to the request header, like slipping cash into an envelope. A facilitator verifies the payment on chain in about 2 seconds. No banks, no delays. Server sees it's paid. Boom, you get the resource. Final settlement, no refunds or disputes. It's chain agnostic, so it works on Base, Solana, Ethereum, or others. Zero protocol fees. For sellers, add one line of code to charge per use. For buyers, no signups, emails, or KYC. Privacy first and global. Think of it like vending machines on the web. Insert coin crypto, get snack data. But for AI, it's autonomous. No human needed. Why should you, as a regular user, care about x402? The benefits are huge, especially if you're tired of subscriptions or want smarter AI tools. For everyday users, save money with micropayments. Pay pennies for one article, one AI query, or 1 gig of storage. No $10 a month plans you barely use. Privacy and ease, no accounts, no personal info shared, just pay and go. Global access. Works anywhere, instantly, with stablecoins that don't fluctuate like Bitcoin. Secure and final. On-chain means no fraud, faster than bank stays or cards chargebacks. Compared to old ways, credit cards have high fees, 2 to 3%, and disputes. Subscriptions waste money on unused access. X402, instant, cheap, trustworthy. It's the upgrade the web needed for AI. For AI lovers, true autonomy. Your AI can buy data, rent compute, or tip other agents without you. Imagine ChatGPT upgrading itself mid-conversation. For developers and creators, monetize easily, charge per API call or view. Zero fees, eating profits. The X402 ecosystem is booming with real projects, over 50 and growing. Here are some spotlight projects. Pay AI Network, top facilitator handling over 14% of payments, verifies and settles for apps, making it easy for businesses. Virtuals Protocol builds AI agents like Gemma for market research. Agents pay per task or block using X402. Ping Ping. Observer. The first token minted via X402. Proved high volume mints work. Over 31,000 buyers paid $1 each. Hey, Anon Gemma. Agent. Research bots that access premium data autonomously via X402 payments. Analytics show over 52,000 transactions recently, up 93%. Ecosystem cap, over $1 billion in related tokens. X402 isn't just tech, it's the rails for autonomous everything. There you have it. X402 explained from zero to hero. It's reviving a 90s web dream with crypto superpowers, making payments as easy as loading a web page. For new users, start small, check the docs, try a demo wallet on Base, or build a simple paywalled API. The agent era is here. AI that thinks, acts, and pays. What's your first idea? AI shopping bot? Micropay news? Comment below. Make sure to like and subscribe to CryptoNinjas for more crypto content, and use our Binance referral code for 20% off trading fees and up to $100 in new user bonus. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Daily out.